Have you ever wondered what would happen if you could build things atom by atom? Or how your sunscreen can block UV rays better today than ever before? The answer lies in nanotechnology, one of the coolest and the most powerful fields of science today. Let's start with the basics. Nanoscience is the study of things at the nanoscale. Now, what does that mean? Well, a nanometer is 1 billionth of a meter. That's so small that a single sheet of paper is about 100,000 nanometers thick. Or to put another way, a nanometer to a meter is a marble to the earth. At this tiny scale, materials behave very differently. Gold can look red, carbon can be stronger than steel, and electrons can tunnel through barriers like magic. That's where nanoscience becomes powerful. It helps us understand the weird and wonderful behavior of materials at this level. Now let's talk about nanotechnology. This is where theory becomes reality. Nanotechnology means using what we know from nanoscience to build useful stuff. It's the science of designing and engineering materials and devices at the nanoscale. Let me give you a few examples. The antibacterial mask that you wore during the pandemic, it probably used silver nanoparticles to kill germs. The scratch-proof lenses in your glasses, likely coated with a nano-thin protective layer. Your smartphone processor, it's packed with transistors just a few nanometers wide. So nanotechnology is not something far away in labs. It's already around us every single day. So where is nanotechnology used? Honestly, almost everywhere. Within medicine, you're delivering drugs directly to cancer cells, or lab-on-a-chip devices that can diagnose diseases within minutes. You can create better, long-lasting batteries or solar panels that absorb more sunlight using nanocoatings. You can create concrete that repairs itself with embedded nanoparticles, or coatings on buildings that clean itself using nanostructures. You can create water-repellent fabrics or clothes that kill odor-causing bacteria. Moreover, you can clean up oil spills with nanomaterials and create filters that purify water at the molecular level. And the best part, you can create smaller, faster, and more efficient chips and quantum computing components at that nanoscale. Alright, so how do you get into nanotechnology? Whether you're a curious student or a parent looking to guide your child, here is a very simple roadmap. If you're a school student, start with the basics. Get comfortable with physics, chemistry, and biology with Learners Club. This will help you a long way. You really don't need fancy tools, just curiosity and consistency. When you're in college, look for degrees in material science, biotechnology, and chemical engineering, or even base physics. That does the job. Many institutes like IITs, IISc, and BITS in India offer specialized electives or even programs in nanotech. And get your hands dirty, because hands-on experience matters. Join science clubs, do mini projects, or intern at research labs. Even building a DIY microscope to see pollen grains is a great start. And there are brilliant platforms like Coursera, MIT OpenCourseWare, or nanohub.org, which have a lot of courses on nanotechnology, on nanosciences available for you online so that you can study and understand these better. You don't need to become a nanoscientist overnight. Start small, just like the nanoscale. Nanotechnology is the science of the future, and the future is already here. Whether you want to cure diseases, clean the planet, or build the next generation of tech, nanotech opens the doors. So stay curious, ask questions, and who knows, maybe you'll be the next innovator shaping our world at the tiniest scale. I am Mihir, the founder and CEO of Learners Club, and this was your crash course into the tiny world of nanotechnology. See you next time.